Alright guys, I'm back. It's been about 5 or 10 minutes, probably about 6 or something like that. But let's see. Now, here's that VDH Badger. I rinsed it out already, but I'm gonna do it again right here in front of you. I want this brush almost bone dry, so the minute all the liquid in here touch my brush, it's gonna get vacuumed right in. So almost bone dry, look different. And when I do shave, I don't think I'm gonna do it on camera, but using my Gem G bar, I'm on my 4th shave, part of the SE shave test, SE razor test. What we're doing is we're having an endurance test to see how exactly many shaves we can get off of a single edge blade. This is from a basic CVS blade that's in there. Stainless steel carbon coated. So we'll see how that goes, but I won't video that. Just wanted to see that you can get the lather, and hey, I might as well put it on, rinse it off, and see how many times I can get lather, a full face lather with it. So I'm in this compact bathroom, forgive me, and let's see how this goes. 2 swirls, okay? I've seen this done with the mighty Martin DeCondre soap, and here we go. Yeah, I'm scared. No, I'm not. It worked yesterday, so I'm gonna do a no-no. Okay, I've done one already. I'll see. Well, a couple. Let's see if I got any more no-nos to get 2 swirls enough. I'm pressing. Yes, you see that clearly. Most of the liquid is already in the brush. 1 swirl. Most of it is already gone. 2 swirls. There. Now, this is a Stirling soap. It's a tallow-based soap, and we know how luxurious tallow lathers go. They make some of the thickest, richest lathers, fluffiest, puffiest lathers out there. Let's see how we get this. I have to get my shirt. I'm gonna tear up this shirt. Okay, let's see. Now, I'm covered enough. You know what? Forget it. I got enough already, I can tell you now, to do 4 passes, maybe 5. I'll go 1 pass now. Forget it, yeah. That's 2 swirls, hot water left inside, and it gave me more than enough. Much more than enough. No pre-shaving, no setup. Just let's go. And yeah, I'm going fast. I got 2 BBS's with this old razor back to back. I got 2 BBS's with it yesterday and the day before. And right now, I don't expect it. Going with the grain. My leather's still good. I'm not following the grain pattern. Got a lot of hair built up since I shave every day. But it's cutting smooth. 4th shave in on this blade, and it feels good. None of that tugging or pulling stuff a lot of people say. I don't feel it. I hope the lighting ain't too bad. The Sharp Dressed Man is the kind of stuff I could shave with every day. One of the best soap scents out there. I still got slickness all over. That's the good thing about these cheap Stirling soaps. They cost nothing, but they give some of the best shades that I've ever had. Right, let's see. Lots of hair to still take down. Now, I don't usually add tons of water into the brush when I do this. I usually use the water that's all on my face. That was 2 passes you saw, 2 swirls. Look at it. I'm good. Let's see. I got enough. I'm not coming back to this puck at all. Now, against the grain. These SE blades keep going, it looks like. The gangster, Brian Sharp, can get up to 20 with his type. He uses feather and a mongoose. I'm not that classy yet. I don't deserve a mongoose yet. But I'm feeling fine. Got a good day looking forward to. Sunday morning shave. Lots of stuff going on. Church, work, everything. Now I'm going against the grain under my hair. I know, crazy enough, my grain goes crosswise, but you gotta know your face's grain pattern. Right here it goes that way and the rest goes this way toward the inside. And it's very slick. So I can make those multi-little passes like that. Sterling soap is that good. I'm sorry. Everybody hates it, calls it the cheap stuff, but it's cheap in price, but not in performance. I'm new to DE shaving and I figured this out. I mean, I just saw 2 swirls, and the thing is, the soap has to be broken. Look, it's still super slick. Oh wow. This is 2 passes and I'm almost at BBS. I got tiny, tiny bits of hair. Tiny bits. Smooth. Maybe about up here. Up here. Alright, here I should have went against the grain, but I hate going against the grain right there. Wow, I can act. Wait a minute. Let me rinse all this off. Right now. I'll go for a 3rd pass. And we'll go for a 3rd pass. We still loaded up in this brush. Look at this. Oh, girl. Look, it just gets better. Gem G bar. G. Yeah, this is in reverse, but that's the camera. It's technology. It didn't get that smart yet. Cross the grain. Alright, I'm almost done. Going through a fast shave here, but I mean, I was the guy with a million razor bumps. My face looked like crap. Absolute crap. But somehow I discovered DE shaving. Got me a weeper. Yeah, too fast. I haven't gotten any weepers from this for the last 2 shaves, and here I go. Just shaving this fast. Didn't prep the skin good. Just threw it on. I was busy cooking. Most of the people in my house left. I didn't crack the weeper, but that's alright. I'm not scared of it. Let's see. Oh, yeah. Yeah. BBS right there. A little bit of. Yeah, good. Cut. Gone. Yeah. Wait. Come on. It's down. And it's out. Alright, that's it. I'll finish the 3-pass fast shave. didn't like really sit on and savor the scent like I usually do. Didn't let it sit on my face. Didn't use any baby oil or pre-shave off or nothing, which is what I usually like to do. I tried to get away from it, but when I got back to the SC razors here, because I used to get tons of irritation from them, I went away. But let's see how much more soap, how many more fill-ups we can get off of this. So let's see. Okay, this would have been enough on the Stirling for 4 passes. A little more water to fluff it up some more. Rarely do that. Look at it. Oh no. Rinse this off. Now remember, this is not CGI. My soap is here, but brush is here, and I'm here rinsing this off. So I could have got a 4 pass. Face is still wet. Let's see. Just a VDH Badger, right on the target. Look at that. Could have got a 5 pass. That's good. That's good enough. Let's see. This is not a joke or a trap or a trick. It's just throwing on water, rinsing it off, grabbing your soap. Seeing how far you can push it and use it on the first. Okay, could have got another pass. Oh, this would have been 5 passes. Okay, let me rinse that off. What's that? 5 passes? 4? 2 on the shave. 1 more. With what, 5? Let's see if we can get 1 more pass out of this. Where the lather is white, it's slick. Alright, let's see. Violently work this lather out. I put it in the beard I got because it leaves the smell on me and I can still smell it all day. That's why I do it. Let's see. See if it's still slick. Oh, we slick. We slick, alright. Oh yeah. Now I don't want anybody thinking I'm picking up different brushes because it's all I got. Okay. Could have did 6 passes like that. I think that's the right number. 6 passes. Let's see if I can get 1 more. God's number. The number of perfection. 7. If I can get 7 passes out of this, off of 2 swirls of this soap, just 2, then you know Stirling can work. Did I do it? The beard eats up a lot of soap. Yep. Could have got it. Could have got it. Alright, enough of this. Let me show you guys something else. Wet my hand a little bit. Now I'm trying to see exactly how much is inside the brush. Alright, let's see. Enough for what? 1 more? 2 more passes? Some of the fluffiness is gone, but still peaky. Still rocking. It's been thinned down from all those passes. So, 2 swirls. VDH Badger hot water technique. 3 tablespoons of hot water on the pot. Give it 10 minutes to work it down, and it works. All right.